Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you this new filter on Animal Crossing series. Which Animal Crossing character you feel like. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get this filter and how you can use this filter. To get this filter, visit the creator profile. Alexandro is the creator of this filter. Follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. Check in his filter gallery and you will find this filter. The second one, this is the filter to Animal Crossing. To use this filter, let's try it. To use this filter, you just have to hold down the camera button. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.